What's happening, YouTube? Silver Hustling 13. That's right, on this channel. I've got a special unboxing for you guys. Let's check it out. Hope everybody had a nice Thanksgiving, and I hope you're still full. This is a little something I ordered quite a while ago, actually. Let's make sure we don't get any personal info that they're exposed, which of course is going to be within this package. Let's get to that. Like I was saying, I ordered this quite a while ago. Been waiting on it for quite a while. Let me get rid of that paperwork. I got this for myself. This is from the, I think this is from my Thanks Sal. My 10 bucks off for Thanks Sal order. I'm almost positive that that's what this is from. So, and silver on Sal, baby. Getting free or reduced silver. Awesome. And here we go. With right here, some nice silver dimes. And the pieces I've really been waiting for are these. And this piece is actually for a friend of a friend who truly is my friend.
Greetings, everyone, all of the Salivate Nation. It is me right here, right here. Having a little fun here inside of the automobile for which we are unboxing these pieces here with Silver Hustling 13. Fun times indeed. All right. Yes, we placed an order together, and we knew we were going to meet on this very day, at this very hour, at this very minute. And we got the Aztec Dragons here, the first in the series from Salivate Metals. And very cool that Silver Hustling 13 was able to take advantage of his order of those. They're very nice, very well done, and done, not dumb, but done indeed. The Aztec Dragon. A lot of folklore with that. The reverse of the piece is going to be common for all of them in the series. And that has the eye. Look at that eye. Very, very nice. Very reptilian. Hence, because it's the World of Dragon series. All right, very, very nice. Very cool. Thank you, Silver Hustling 13, for showing those. So that's what we got. I think we got coppers of each of these, if I'm not mistaken, as well.
Coppers.
Yeah.
I'm in a zone, Sal. The mirrored field had me in a zone.
Yeah, the mirror had me in the zone.
Let's go with the copper.
Very good. The
copper as well.
Cue the copper. Look at that. And it looks just as lovely in copper as it does in silver.
Let me bust it out real quick. I think it looks better in copper, maybe.
Yeah. And, you know, copper is one of those things that it's a nice complementary to sets. You know that you're not going to regain any premiums for those because copper is priced like at $2 and some odd per pound. But these are just kind of fun to have. It's a way to accumulate some cool designs in a different metal as such. And so there it is. Very, very cool indeed.
Sweet.
Pretty nice. Well done. So we got some dragons, and we also have Silver Hustling 13 took advantage of the 10-ounce bar deal. Very, very nice indeed. Very cool. Awesome.
As always, YouTube, keep hustling.
And a multitude of gratitude, y'all, for watching. I encourage you to please rate, comment, and
subscribe.
Be hypnotized.
Be hypnotized.